How to run multiple Roblox accounts at once. So, running multiple Roblox accounts is a pretty simple thing to do. Now, if you're on your phones, of course, on that, it is a little different. On that, what you're going to want to do is maybe run a client application, one on the browser and one through your installed Play Store app. But most commonly and most easily, it is done on your PCs. So, what we're simply going to do is right about here, you're going to open up a new tab. We're going to write roblox.com, and let's say we're going to open up a third tab over here as well. And over here, what you can simply do is keeping this account locked in over here. You can simply run a game. Like, let's say I'm going to run this game called Chameleon. Now over here, what I'm going to do is, of course, I'm going to come right here and sign in onto a new account. And doing that is pretty simple. It doesn't really require you to start any new account. It doesn't require you to do anything like that. So all you're going to want to do is come over to your account as so. And once you come over to your account, you're going to log out. And once we log out over here, you can simply, go ahead, click on add account. Once you click on add account, it will help you to log into your new Roblox account. And you can do the same with this third tab that we have opened over here. Simply hit switch accounts, and once you hit switch accounts, it will give you another add account option. So just like this, you can hit create a new account, and just like this, do the same over here. You're going to hit create a new account. Now over here, you can see that this account is already running. I can run up a game just as so through the browser. And over here, let's say I'm going to create that, and we're going to add it as so. And once everything is set up, you're going to hit sign up. You're going to do the same over here for your third account. And after all of that is done, you're going to be able to see that you're running two entirely different full-fledged Roblox accounts at once on your browser. Okay. And of course, if you're running it on one PC, you can also have the Roblox launcher downloaded onto your desktop. And in that way, you can also go ahead and start a multiple working thing. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Run multiple accounts in the easiest way. Have a great time. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.